Alright, now we're looking at really big gators. See them all? They're huge. I don't think I'm going too fast. I probably am. You probably can't see one of them. Here's one. Let's look at these guys here.
Look at that. Oh my god.
Oh my god, look at the size of this guy here. I think that's what you would call some massive gators. Oh yeah. Look at all of them. You see, they're really here. Awesome. I think if I were a gator, I'd be hanging out this spot too. It's awful cool. Nice here. Alright, let's stop. Look how big you are.
I got too many chickens, the others got none.
These are gonna float any day now.
Oh my gosh, now you're a big guy too, aren't you? Yeah.
Look at this big stuff.
I sit back there.
Where's that really big one?
Hi, buddy. Is that good stuff? He said, I'm eating. That's some good stuff. Is that a good nacho?
Where's that really big
Junior,
one?
you want to check out
I think you're,
souvenir shop?
I told Tim how sweet Logan, we can get a nice smile of Logan there. Logan, little smiley face. Smiley little face. I'm gonna make a movie and post it on YouTube. YouTube.
We'll go see the river otter.
Where's the river otter?
Right here.
Oh yeah, let's go see. Check out the albino alligators. Aren't they cool? Cool white. They don't move very much though. And then, here's Chasey. Hi, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Man.
Hi. How are you? What are you doing? You're looking at alligators.
Superstition, I'd like to have a good
Roscoe, hey buddy. Hey Roscoe. Look at you. Want to pose for me, Roscoe? Pose. Pose, Roscoe. Pose. Hey buddy, are you sleepy? Are you sleepy boy? Are you sleepy? Yeah. It's your nap time, Roscoe. It's your nap time. It's your nap time. Yeah, it's Roscoe's nap time. Here's Logan. Say hi, Logan. Hi. You having fun? Yeah, are you always this enthusiastic? You always this upbeat? Hey, Roscoe! Roscoe, where are you going? Hi. Hi. Hi, buddy. He's waving. Hi, buddy. Which one's fussing?
Do they talk?
I don't know.
They can.
I thought I heard one say step up.
Make them talk?
Yeah, they can mimic us.
Uh-huh. Hi. Hi, buddy.
Hello.
Hi, buddy.
Go check on that.
There's the birds. And there's, who's that? Who's that? And then Melina and Brady and, oh, down there's Brady. He looks all happy. There's Mimi. Say hi, Melina. Say hi. Hi, Brady. So I do little mini movies.
Oh, nice.
And then I splice them all together. It's like amazing.